Well, hey guys, welcome back to Try This DIY. My name is Alan. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to make a DIY weed killer. I think this is pretty safe for the environment, also safe for kids or pets or anything like that, or even yourself. Also, it's pretty cheap, just a couple household items mixed together, and it should do the trick. So we're going to try this out and see if it works. A couple things you're going to need. Number one is just some type of sprayer. This is what I'm going to be using. If you have the little bottle sprayer, that will work just fine as well. But the mix you're going to be using is you're going to use a gallon of white vinegar. You'll have a cup of salt, and then also a tablespoon of dish soap. You're going to see me here in this video that I'm not going to actually use that full amount. I don't have that much space, so I'm going to use significantly less. You can cut all that in half and try that as well. So that's what I'm going to be doing, using about half a gallon of vinegar, half a cup of salt, and then also some dish soap. So let's go ahead and dive into the video and see if it works. This rock bed is a project I did last year and has gotten a few weeds in it. We also used to use harsh chemicals, but since we have kids and other people around, we want to try a more natural and safer option. Spray each weed liberally with the mixture, but be careful not to get it on anything you don't want to kill. Also, be careful with the salt, because this could stop things from growing in the area that you spray it in. I'm spraying the weeds today because I have company coming in the next day, so I'm hoping that it kills the weeds pretty quickly. There is a pretty strong vinegar smell, which is the negative of this, but it will go away after a couple of hours. So this is the next day after spraying. It did rain last night, which isn't the best for this product, but the weeds are less noticeable within about 12 hours, and some have even begun to wither. So this is about 24 hours later. More of the weeds have died and more are losing their green color. When the sun came out, I think that helped kill a lot more of the weeds. And this clip also shows the area that had the most weeds in it. This is about 36 hours later. Many of the weeds are dead and lost a lot of their green coloring. If this video has been helpful so far, please feel free to like and subscribe. This is about 3 to 4 days later. Most of the weeds are brown or gone, and there are some weeds still hanging on that I did respray. I'd love to know in the comments if you tried this and it worked for you. Also, let me know if you have any other DIY weed killer ideas. Well, hey guys, so you saw from the video, I think that this product does work pretty well. You do want to be careful about spraying weeds around your grass or anything that you want to keep, because it will kill that. Here's a picture of my wife sprayed a couple weeds in our backyard and it killed some of the grass around it. So you want to be careful with that. Also, because of the salt, it could kill those areas and not let anything else grow back for a while. So you want to be careful with that. Also, I like it because it's not super harsh chemicals. You can keep it around, and it's something that's, again, going to be safe for kids, pets, or anybody like that. Also, I think you do need to keep around just a little bit in a spray bottle, or keep some ready to kind of spray it out again. Because this doesn't always kill down to the roots, you will have to spray it off a few times to try to kill all the weeds off, but it's not a big deal. You just kind of keep some handy. You can spray some weeds when they pop back up. But overall, I think we're going to be continuing to use this product, especially when our kids are around. Again, I think it's just safe for them, safe for us, and also safe for the environment. So hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can let me know that. Leave me a comment. You can like and subscribe down below. And if you have any questions, let me know that. I'd love to help you out with that as well. Check out one of these other videos here in your end screen, but I'll see you in the next video.